Well, welcome back to Bear's Rod Shop, BRS, for Tuesday, November. And this is going into part 2 of the DAREx M1, discontinued model for DAREx, but again, fortunate to find it in that tool sale. And no, don't count on your camera or your mind to remember where all these parts and pieces go. Really wasn't going to tear it down quite this far, but I wanted to see what the inside looked like. And I have resolved my own issue with the collet. I've got a set of M16 collets coming, and I'm making an adapter so I can do the smaller drill bits from a half down. But yeah, $9.25 free shipping. Going to go right inside here and squeeze down instead of taking the good old LeBlanc here and making some adapter collets to slide in there. And again, thanks to Joe Pye for teaching me how to put a 3/8 chuck into a 5/8 chuck, or even a 3/4 to chuck up drill bits. All right, let's slip over here and let's take a look inside this baby. I tell you what, she is pristine. I bet it's got 50 hours or less on this. And the only reason we're taking out the armature, and I wanted to go ahead and this aluminum here was powder coated. Yeah. So I want to clean it all up. Yes, I put witness marks on it. I'll make sure I don't lose that thrust washer down in there for the setting the preload. Bearings, I mean, absolutely killer. Both of them, and their Timkins. So DAREx is going to get, if I can find this gold, all repainted. Was going to take, and I probably still will, go in here and take the housing off so that way I can get in here and really sand good. Take the motor housing off as well. Might as well, I'm, this far along. And very excellent shape. I mean, literally, this thing is pristine. So, Bear's Rod Shop for part 2 on the DAREx, kind of not a rebuild, just a tear down and paint and put back together. One more look at these parts over here. Tell you what, now that I don't need actually another collet in the comments, unless y'all have got one and a collet holder, I don't know if I'm going to even need it. Got to get this thing all cleaned up, painted, and off onto another project for the Tool Fest 2021. Bear's Rod Shop, and we're out of here.